Any tribe for that Nigeria, even Hausa, when you talk say you be Isan, they classify you as a Bini person because they know say na Bini, na Ibidi, na una be Bini slaves. Jarvis and Pella did the video. Pella want us something. He said, I got Bini, go marry wife, come. He said, bandit there for Bini. Now Jarvis come to say, I bet that bandit not there for my Bini, oh. He not there for my Bini. You see how stupid you are. You could they allow me now, they go they throw west to Jarvis because that girl, as small as she is, she know say, Isa not get name without Edo. Without Edo, they must say, there's nothing like Isan. People does not even know Isan. Come abroad, go to say, you are from Edo. Oh, you both know. But when you say you are from Isan, they don't understand. They classify you as an Edo, as a Bini. Because they don't, you people are not recognized. Urobos are recognized. Shekiris are recognized. Hausa people are recognized. Yoruba people are recognized. Igbo people are recognized. But Isan, they are not recognized anyway. To even start with, you say, now so we they claim anybody where get name, where be big person, where be Isan, we call they claim out to be Bini, to be Edo, who are soon walk by a global, who be Jarvis. Jarvis get name, reach me. Me where be Ivie. I'm an asshole name. They know Jarvis for the whole of Nigeria, reach Enoge, or reach my lovely sister Monica. Who be Jarvis? Who is Jarvis? What did she get? Who is Jarvis? You want to they make me the trauma to that little girl now? Because now the video what you do. Say me they go the right hand, they mistake. Oh, that's so we want to claim Isan people. Say, are you mad? Who know Isan? The Ambrusali one that they claim, Ambrusali is not from Isan. Everybody, we all know where Ambrusali from come. Say na Nuperian. Ambrusali is never an Isan. Isan. But you people claim. So tell una go claim Igbenedion say Igbenedion na Isan. Now they claim our people. Who know Jarvis for this world? Who is Jarvis? Because they come and they dance like baby. Why I move your eating? Who know Jarvis? What are Jarvis? What he don't contribute to Nigeria economy? Where Jarvis name for the ring? As he ring rich, Jarvis was a very, everybody know how they do AI. But at the end of the day, Jarvis una spoil life. You can't remain, you can't be clown, you can't talk to clown for social media. Jarvis became a clown. AI, this is what she do when people even notice her small. She became a clown. She's not a clown. Jarvis is a nobody. Jarvis not get name reach me. If you're not a swag, Jarvis not get name reach me. Because there's no way you want to mention my name today where people don't know say Ivie. Even though you they watch me, you don't they watch me, you know who be Ivie. Even your great grandfather know who be Ivie. Your mama, your grandmother, the father, your grandfather knows Ivie. This is Ivie, an asshole name. Who is Jarvis? You say we they claim Jarvis. So now, may I play Mama Blue video finish, then I go talk to Mama Blue.
Hello. The manivia don't know about Tessa at Baika. The manivia don't know about Tessa from Baika. If you do a woman about Bowaji, only Bovoena. It must be a talk. It must be a musician. Oh, the one thing was a banner baby music.
You know, they una greatest musician will be a Romosele. If to say not be my Edo brothers, 24 beats, and the rest will carry and come abroad. A Romosele for never enter abroad today. A Romosele is suffering. If you want to talk about stars that are well known all over the world, Now we Edo people, now I get her. They are Edo, as in the children of the soil. Edo children. If yes, say, I am here, Unao, the one will go come out, wife here, what going. Mosele, as we speak today, Mosele, una over giddy, musician. When nobody know, if they beg under our great nation, even that una what you call him, una top musician, what you call him, I feel it. I be what you don't be. I feel it now. I don't forget whether I feel it. The other day he was begging, like 2 weeks ago. He they beg for TikTok, they beg for social media. Many people can't join them. He want follow Agbe, what they call this our brother? Oh, this our lovely musician. What do they call him? What do they call this our brother? Wait, fair. Oh God, and you ever okunu, or okunu, but mana. This our fair brother. AJ Silimi, thank you very much. God bless you. Afile was begging AJ Silimi. AJ Silimi asked to feature Afile. Afile came up with AJ Silimi. Afile even mentioned, this is my best man. I can't join me. You want feature me. We want do the name. We want do concert. Who is Afile? Even our lovely small son, where just they come up. What did they call Obokan? Agbo Obokan Bebo. Abi Obokan, I don't forget what they call Obokan for Bebo. Where he sing, uke mumenibia, kaya o ekenike deo. I feel no rich charm. I feel no rich Obokan for Bebo. He no rich charm. Now one musician, now he carry all those people. Now even the Afile and the Mosele. As we speak today, Mosele still they suffer. They buy Mosele papa. Mwagwa muti and you saw one of ya mufija. Mosele they buy papa, they buy mama. Till today, Mosele now do video by himself. He said, we should not still let her rest. Mosele, as we speak, one say na number 1. He still they live for completed building for Evohimi. Land of death. Now Paika from come. Mosele still they live there.
Oh, this one me wine. The next time this one me wine. Akpa ka jado gbogbo okman mu lawa ejojonoma ani gbe no ona re mu sun wa
awe e wa gbe
wa fian wo
awe e wa
e so ma do ya la latian ogi azon gi eyin
okay
ori ma bona voko adana tebe o na tebe ayubo da tebe ayubo gbe ni mi we forget it. He said, babe. Sister, he said, babe. Okay, down. Mama Blue, yeah, send the message now. Go. With all due respect, in my name in you way. I was shocked now. Who will work the video now? Una way vie, una robiene. Then you respect it. Where's mama? Who can't robiene? And yes, or not like bra where and no gay. If you say where, who that way, he try ni come me yadan. O salobo they call me megwa we bidi. Then they call me Yeri Aleloma. God knows my heart. I saw that video in our head when I went, even though large and Aaron Masonia, it don't make sense. You understand? But not be saying here let you can say like don't go web more, but I was sagani for 1 month. But you are a woman that I love and respect so much. I've never insulted you. You have been insulting me for a very long time. I've never. In my new way. It may surprise you with the video now. Una atia bome una amwe bogbo hiame. Emi na video nu we una. E bangwe do bere Nogbabe ka wu. Ibe when me tamu we Mama Blue. Nogbabe ka ya so mi na ye bon pa ka fi pe ge gwa na. Oh ya delete video from Facebook.
Mega ila diabu da we. Me almost war. Yo monos war. O wogwa nu menwa ye. O ma keke negwe no emegbe abibi. Ado bobi wa ni vie do so wa unwa wa ma kanwa. But that dog me no ya yibe. That dog me no ya wen ye. Muda e doni me ya ni me na yu kanto. E doni me kere. Akpa mi si kanya do me na go scot free. Okpaika ebo okpado tiyan ni ati Austin orize wa we am no ekinoni do me do like social media begeni. Okpaika la support ina do screenshot a message or a comment or Okpaika la screenshot la dia. If you Okpaika wa do that from time off you pege do off you pege viedo off you pege gwa Okpaika kit as we anya do or we yo ba where we kere. No fe oguromi nenya owijo bakere ni babo ana la pa ikagbe onyo no gi ogo ewo yimi ewu gu me ame no pa ikakere omo eko no pa ika na evi pa ika doe na cottage ya cottage lele. Do you know Mama Blue when Mama pa ika will be very close? Mama pa ika will be close. Mumu bi ni ati ebe na momo ni ne. E ati e Mommy Blue no na sungu bagbonogwa mommy bi. Momo ni ne. But I oriswa rone kunyoba ina do yake mumu bi. We be best of friends. Vosunu. Okpaika afi pegedo. We can say ti aro ya woni mekebe gbo ni ma wo gbe ase e ba ni na cottage. Eya we first video. A voice recording came out. If you saw us one threatening if you are doing what you are by your egbo. This thing I'm telling you is 10 years ago. You know what I might say 10 years, I might say 6 years ago, yeah. You know what you are by egbo near ya believe do here. He got guaya denaya do mwe guani. Emi kere. Okpaika ra aruwe iya na so ni Okpaika ikpe video ni ikpe recording ni me Facebook iba na we gay otani Okpaika ti me do my daughter ina wonder ona zo ma bugo e daughter me omo no ma okie papa we ati me daughter we arum ivia we be we afi peje gwa ni me ya yo ina we ta agwa bere agwa bije wa iba ni na ladi na we ni ami eke agbi ade gbogbo. But to be so, ibegu wani vie do me so wa ivie agbe to agbe. Even we ya take me ateke. Ni vi no pa ika ke vivi se be na mo po. Ya allow me. Eri eba because you guys did not see it. You guys for matie waro. Wa na tagwe na ja social media. Social media go na social media. Get no pa ika give you. Okpaika if you page gwa na owe oye san isebe isanrian isanda no mama oya zo e do no ma ze so isan there is no ye do never of isan of isebe arazisan o tawe me ahwaria iwa hwae ofian enenemi ye hwae onye ye ro yo ye hwae ye like hwae ne ebode ebro pase sunu yen we gbe ari edoni ebo se de Okpaika e ga fi peje gwo yen we gbe ari edogwe ogwe mi opa sunu. I was shocked Mama Blue una do aro ye because my no yaso e uma ke na kede uma no yaso e Okpaika eno iki na we ke do we video na oyin tu we do beg e kebe bo u ke do we video na we Okpaika to agbe Okpaika egi ye bi do egbe oti ofiupe ebi bi do gbasawo Mama Blue wo ibi do le nuzomo wa no Okpaika no do we webo Okpaika the husband snatcher. So Mama Blue we make her talk when my wife phone Mama la wo with all due respect. Ma bege video no keke 2 weeks ago, in me, when we are alive, on my come with it. You see me, say, woman. Oh, I will see me, say, only my come, say me, any walk on me. Oh, bien, I can't think of my. Oh, by Kabi, say, Belcas, women, in a lia, one of what you want me. And you go beg a beg, wow. And you go give my yao, and I'm your Mokala, that if you son. If you say bed. I will a man, say, be, you can't, I'm Mokala, Diania. Oh, go back, Belia. Who da? I'm your beverado. Am I not going to do here, Anna? Here we are any access of Wabo. Well, yet today, I am mere baby. I am mere something. Why rob ye me? Why rob ye me? So, Mama Blue, now will go by you so by your way. Uga who with video and we are more or good women. Problem is wrong. Maybe that time he said he be because he can't nele when Imam knew where money was respect. Oh, I'm coming with it. So, even the platform where they so, even to away. Mommy, tea away. Wagum Bogbene. Okay, now when my cat bow, cotton do beg a kenokede, una more Bogbene, where I saw Pike as woman. Oh, Pike catch where me. If you say be, he may quest when he got hell here. Oh, Pike as one. Okpaika was my best friend. Neither day we also know na suhugu as a den. But when you feel begedo, ya cut a friendship in it. Kiye, ke not you, no be Holland. A live video na cut a friendship for here. Wowa, even live video na mugbe na cut na wa awa buwa awa. So Mama Blue, you all go home. Na go mama. You like him no. Iman like eh mama tell me make baby yoni me mama dey okay Iman dey okay but he hear la jani do arobi we ndo woni wan like okay baba okpaika na we di okpaika we wa but then we ye fie we go okpaika ye ho oh e fita okpaika mu ya okay la live video. But if you do it, oh yeah, do it. Say. Why baby? Ina when I bought work. Mama la go. Be video da no na. You are collect the video na. Respect to you for this video. O saloba we say ni abu beg me ya no sumu. O beg me no see ni na we say be. Ya atamo e kini do pa ika wa vie ya mo bo. So te e brokosi no sungu no fi pa jagba dedegbe. Okpa ika on la platform again no do feel pen no do that boy unless go be any video ni ima when them we broadcast platform again but mani via don't even say most especially me no da e me wa mo no yin kokpa eyin sin me na ye sin me ne ni emu ye ke uda ye me do yo boss ye mi yo veni me wa ye me ni vie no yo mo bugbe e broadcast ya ma bio e say no do no yen send request ya the platform me ama bio e say be oni ogun mu be na platform me yo ba yen ke say there dey make yen go e mo we ne o fi ogun ba ogun because o ma wa ladian o afi pe je gbo de gbe go ba me no wi wa e wa wi ti agbo ya yo ba ugbe era mo isapa o se ti mo mi an yoba mama sodia mi ano wotapa then e broadcast wa yo ma wa la de na bati ye wa la de afi pe je gwa egbu wa eso egbe wa ni biedo we are when me ya react to that kind of person that person remains my enemy remains ogio to neto Ema matai owo wa ni edo wa we to yo ba asungu ogyo ba agele sungu. I don't know if you guys have seen that video. Ema matai owo to yo ba asungu. Iwa gege la je wa mo yo ba no ma ro da gbo e come kai. So Mama Blue, a kudos for you for this kudos to you on this video. Thank God in who beg me. Emi no paika who kedo hade no ya me fin chain ni. O paika ro yo ya dokpa. E do ya ro yo ya fi pe ye gwa. Ami no paika ma eta. Okay, one more broadcast because when you get broadcast if you beg here, era bi je. One more broadcast like platform le broadcast do arrow. He's such a pity. Me na beg where if you dog me a platform le broadcast, you mean a broadcast waro say. A broadcast yeba directly wano. It's so painful me na me vie dog me a platform le broadcast. I me vi asin kwa wa we if you do me. How do we get here? You might see my head was. Oh, what about yoja? If you do a na, oh, give it ya bogeni kaoni guina. Emenaki, Agba kujabo. If you do a na. Oba met ya bogeni kaoni we know evenaki oba met ya bo if ya domenica gwina oya ya simi eboma ogwe tiga simi o sege na ne dome o tiga simi o sege ni mesimi egbe me simi na hundawe o tonu edo na yun kan so ọmọ no me negbe o do baba ka gbe gbe je o ga nem to sumo ma bi ọmọ ni o ye do unwege e sagi dawo egbe sagi se be. So mama blue, with all due respect, man like you know, I understand that's for that. I love this video you did. Now osaloba wese nika wese we ubege mi ya no sunune. Okay fine. Apa ika no sugu. Paika di babolawa gbagbo if na paika pikin be this o. Paika yezigo o yezene omo no say 30 something years in no see ayewe bo ma se ti mo lawe bo. Paika ohua we na yegun na. Paika ije ogweke uhua akwiye ari ogiase ye. Paika the husband snatcher. The man where you come from Spain, where you come carry us for your hand, where they look for document, so the man come to say me Okpaika make the guy that do koti. Okpaika have a kialawa. The man has children and a wife in Spain. The man daughter do marriage. Okpaika the marriage. This old man where you put for inside house. No me one me oboka. The old man, you not going daughter marriage for Spain. Can't tell the world if I don't want money. He have walk by for disgrace. And you disgrace him anyway. Of by no jekia. Keep your cock by Karohia. Of by collected a man. He carried this old man. The old man come up for Spain. He go UK. As he reach UK, they find house. Now by give him one room. Now the man and the wife were there for Spain. Come approach Okpaika, make Okpaika say they go give her money. Make he do koti with the man. Make he do koti marriage with the man. The man and the wife, they gather small money. Say me they take pay Okpaika in advance. Before you know it, Okpaika now you kill Okpaika carry that man prick. He started to put for Toto. Till today, that man don't even know whether he born or he get wife for Spain. As I'm talking to you people now, the man is like a servant. When Okpaika ya walk biani. Edene bo agman over walk biani. You Okpaika go hey. Okbiani ayok pia. Oh ya wela ha. My next video tomorrow, I carry the man picture comments. Okpaika, this is just the beginning. Since you say this your picking, who you are. Where you are Okpaika? Okpaika, husband snatcher. Where? Ooh, how market? Okpaika when not know the picking of it, when not know the papa of the picking. Opaika we born bastard. This Opaika picking one of this for you is a bastard. How to be bastard? I walk in here, no gay, no ye, no fair. Now I give Opaika belly at the age of 13 years. Why give not let people here? Now Opaika tell rock more from me I'm not carry. Now I tell rock come out. Tell Lagos and that's one basha walking before I call it Italy. Opaika go they call Ashago, Hadishago, Opaika. You they call people husband snatcher, they call people Ashago, Opaika. Now two men you don't snatch for people's hand. The woman, the dog woman will put you for house for Italy. Was Jacques whoever so who will put you for house. You carry a Papa Jero. Papa Jero now you carry, you snatch her. Now you take that document in entire UK. You still reach UK, you say we Kali, a back mama ye be owe, when I am with you, a John Bemo and a Kia winner, who ya way, as we speak, they go the fuck up Mike join old man for his house. Up Mike and Quemu. Up Mike wait prick don't finish what to talk Mike wanted they fuck for inside toilet. Up Mike wanted they fuck for inside toilet for party. Up Mike go on video and they cook. All those food where she they cook. Fear no let her chop and people they give her money make they cook. People give her money make they cook all those bachelor. You go cook and go give them. Up Mike where for the seafood they chop. Now partition for the also food. Oh, what's the party? Give me jollof. Give me fried rice. All your leave. I know lady. I go with me. I gas and all lady. Oh, I get you look at her because not be her money. Iga error. Oh, Paika. Do you when I have born no go and walk Paika? Do we boga ye do? My people Paika not build us for Bini. She rented 2 flats. For this, I useless daughter will be a shower as well. Our daughter, as we speak, our daughter now hook up girl. Our daughter get husband for husband now hook up girl. Because they spoil the husband of the daughter. Or Paika use wish they spoil her. The same wish where Paika get now picking get. You know more boy anyhow over here. If you see the boy now pass one eye cover. The boy now only one eye get. You know more here. Only you buy your go. Now they wash clothes, now they cook, now they wash plates, now they do everything. Okay, can I bomb my boy anywhere week bono? The boy na Igbo, the boy not be Bini. Okay, daughter not married to Bini. They stay for Bini, but the boy na Igbo. Okay, can no sungu. No sungu backbone no go anak bo backbone. No bawa we go. Okay. How many grandchildren you get? Okpaika can't tell the world say one of your grandpikin are in Besa. Okpaika daughter. Oh yeah. One of the pikin for inside where a daughter born. Okpaika grandchildren. Okpa degwan erao. Omi miao. Owa mi miao podon. Okpaika no dran. Okpaika, who is the father of your useless daughter? Ashawa where you born. Who is the father? Oh, never no be. Okpaika, what take by your papa? Nana mireva. Am I near Ravena? If we people, the land of dead, where you from come? They don't know your papa. Okpaika, who is your father? And who is the father of your useless Ashawa Shiwele daughter? Okpaika! Okpaika, where I fuck? Okpaika where fair for public, fair nation boy your head. Fair say you got Okpaika, see your gang begin they use prick to the do Okpaika can they use until they rub prick. Now he quick can because of fair saying there for live video. He quick can chook can put. You not see your boy your head. Okpaika no ye kia. Okpaika isebe o ye kia. Okpaika ogun rak boy. Una we see who see ya do ahe. Oh, go back, we are boy avant. Bonne don't viola dia. Bonne don't viola dia way. I never no your bar, I never know your bar. I never know papa. Ma vie I know one. Ma koku one when to wa dog be my your eroga buwa yes. No west send walk his buwa ye boy send bay. Have ye send bay? That way I don't like what person will call it abroad. I don't know where I walk back, but yeah, he will come from the same state. Ni ma bo fear cool ni san. I ain't son, he's son. He's a babe. Paika, ogun ba agbo wo agbo avon agbo wota. Paika ga yo pa we manu ga ye va we manu ni adeva we your salary.
God Babe no ni ati e sweet. God Babe no.
Paika de no have your well I don't go Paika. E do ma me wo ma no we. E do ma ka mu se go Paika. O di gule be ro ga gbo Paika. Ise go ga gbo Paika. Wo ga sungu Paika tu ga sungu. Iba ba no ga la wa gbo Paika o. How many go do be baby? Who are going to be? Who
can't want this girl? No, you got Kia now. You get brokers, you know, we don't ban no game. The platform, man. And I want to again, no way, obey, always sweet or near a princess, you know, even the way other platform, a princess, maybe princess, yes. Obia wo bi ogbe yen kin o wa re ki bedero e me na yun duku e na tama na we a but time mo bi ogbe we ki bedero we obi edo pataki we ma hu dana le brokos nu we mu la platform now when the useless get am man awe bros we pa me no ni a tana awe me na e wa time ana no ba special. That was the useless word.
But I want to tell you guys.
This way I name a brokers. The useless girl not drop away.
But I want to tell you guys something. You want to hear the name. Do you not la do kundo ta wo ye do ye hin so gba ta wo ye ko me so ta. Oh no, we stay pay
na.
One never you ma we stay pay.
I want sweet or near sweet.
You dey talk about love.
Well, no word sweet in.
These are the people you have here that were 10 before.
Now what bet you have a boom one.
These are the people you have here, Bogima. There's no other if you say Bena. Now we they give the name. That is why you see an Eastern person anywhere for Europe, anywhere. How we are doing? Oh, we are doing a lot there. Paika. E do ma po no super we. Iye do enu so mo. Emi opa ni atamu gwa wa la agwo Paika ga iro na if you pe je gwa ne. Agwi yen ye la do ni ogbe bode. Wa la agwo na re we ni yo. Paika afi ogbe la do.
On the second that I am born by Paika.
You talk see oh let me one.
On the second of July. That is the end of Paika. Of phone on the second. That's the end of Paika.
And another thing. Ije no giase. Paika mama na witch. Iya kije. Ikazegi kare
Mr. Honorable Lawo get MDCC get but if you vibrating ya we get the disturb. Maybe we want to lower the frequency Lawo we say madavia me lo ya kale kwa ni o te wa ya re ni. Where be Carlo? Where Carlo?
Calm down.
When the matter you when it
two children they play ball for a what done here boy me. They go play ball, go meet Mama Paika where sit down. They break, those children not wake up. He can say Paika car. Make una ask Paika, say what he do is senior brother. Paika has had a senior brother. If you see Paika senior brother wa mioe, honor we are you gonna twincing a day, or ye back. On your mock yakba. The only son where Paika mama get. We are Paika, if you ni walk at the Vijayana, Toyana Tontia, or Vijayana Watoy, Yana Fia Wagyoy, a Quaniga ye.
Iwa biesa we do wa je la tesa o te yawu. Oh,
na fear Okpaika ni mama they chop their brother. The only son, the only brother where they get. He na fear wa gioi. He na fear wa gioi. Okpaika come with your useless daughter, you not get children. Okpaika come and swear with this girl. There you yasunu. Every yak be mak with your Okpaika with the toss over mama Okpaika not there for ebo Ivie. Okpaika why they banish you from una yeye palace? Una yeye iyekowa why they punish you? Why no gay? Hey chiefy, hey no fair of Ivie. Why he punish you?
The land of the dead.
Why he banish you? No be as your mama confess, can't you now? No be that they banish you. May you not the enter the Eguare again. No bow back more. Ayo dukunai. Wawa mute by ayo dukun. Weka kaleke make one wakia more. Okpaika come and swear if your mama not be inside bush. Egbo dog go dey and swear for. Okpaika so they talk to your mama and mothers they live. Okpaika go tell you say he build us. Okpaika has my boy for my if says you only one room if you put zinc for the house. There what you mean? Down. Babe. The most dangerous Igwedan in Isebe. What you mean? Down. Never give your mojo. You want to say your pikin may go marry there. He yare u rere omoki. I be your son want go marry for there. He will rere omoki. Oh, Giase. Okpaika, come tell the world that's your mama. Take it first son. You are not Nogbabe. Okpaika, you are not he chopped the bone, the biscuit bone. Okpaika, if I'm like, come and debunk it. Your brother not buy. When take by the only brother when you get Okpaika. Na yak mema who you are ebo. Niba bola we Okpaika o Giase no mama. Okpaika, who you born this pikin for? Okpaika na shago. Okpaika the husband snatcher.
Today,
at your age, you know you snatch your mind. You no money. I not be say you snatch and say you want to come. You want to come to the buga. You snatch and come to talk to house boy for inside house. Okpaika na yo yani ona yak yo as we dey talk, so the wife of the Ejioman still dey lay course, they go on Okpaika. Okpaika no get say.
Thank you, my sister.
Okpaika when they drive it for Eguare Nogbabe backbone. Before Okpaika, years ago, he go at that day, no fair, what you mean? At that day, a day also, Okpaika you two they go, they banished you. Okpaika, the widow program where you they hold for what you mean? The widow program where you they owe, why they stop her? They stopped it. Because so we are said to do have any widows level. Okpaika village now so widow fuller. Okpaika village. Before you see woman where he marry, where he get husband, or where they live with the husband they are all widows. For the village where Okpaika from come, when you enter there, all the women they are widows, they don't chop their husband. How about Giase?
Now only landlady that they see for the land.
Now only landlady. They not feel even be landlady because Iyamayo Bagwa is a bay. It's a way they go use bamboo till they build that's where they live. It's a way go there for their land, they go rent room. It's a bay. Okpaika come and swear if your village, all those widows where they Okpaika village, he pass 1 million. He can't they do widow program. Not about my people. Everybody. Nanami a widow. Equally mother. Now we widow programming.
Yes.
A widow programming for Okpaika. If you see all of them, we go now one rubber of rice, he go give them. And don't be him, he go need. Oh, Jack, no shame me. Oh, Jacques Jaime Aze. Opaika wewe. Husband snatcher shawo. De du balama de da mufio de do yekia Opaika do yekia. Ba isi ona jo egbe iwine kia no. Opaika. If you want fuck Opaika, you be small boy, you be man anywhere. You want your abeg wear condom. Opaika, you don't need to toast her before you fuck her. Your touch her breast, you don't put toto for you. Opaika toto the bouquet. Opaika we are we. If you don't see no one fuck Opaika, I bet just buy ticket. Go fuck your pikin. Oh yeah, I got here. The wife get husband for his house one month. Servant what they put for his house where mama they use. If they do a shower na runs, get they do they go for everywhere. Abuja here, I make an ejo. Here we here. Here we here like mother like daughter. Opaika no work here. Opaika no work here backbone ugbe o. Opaika market. Una way one carry Opaika pikin picture. A picture here na here o. Waya uwese. Wadomu. Ten kobo. Opaika pikin picture. Ten kobo. Agwa Opaika daughter na shawo. Ten kobo. No do do he, wa do do obi Opaika. Ten kobo. Opaika who asungu. Ogun ba ragbo e. Ogun re no ragbo e. E do mare no we. Opaika ge yakwa na ri gabene. Wa gbe o ragbo. Arema, ye digu amo ha. Isebe. E digu amo. Emon am I avec qui to there. If you touch about king, I start to we king. Why me king I king? Nu wa gba wa gbon na king, u wa sun wa gbon. U wa sun. Your chiefs in Isan, they are under us.
Asle was an Azama for Turion, yeah.
Oh, Jacques Jaime.
Yes, Azama. Asle, before you come wrong, go Holland. Police they look for a year, now they wrong, go Holland. Asle was Azama.
Asle is the 419.
Yes, now for Turion, yeah. Azama na be.
Asle no fear enter UK because if they catch him in UK, he go prison.
He was an Azama.
He go finish again. Asle na 419. 19 ma Azama who are soon you want to compare your dirty kids.
Nah, kidnapper I be now. Don't upgrade now. Kidnapper I can't be now. Yeah.
You want to compare your dirty kids. No get where they chop shit. No geni reason. No geni reason. No geni reason. Isebe. Iamara we no genya yara mata yo. No gisan ya iamara we ko no genya yari lo otayo. Iamara we no genya yari loto.
At all.
Iamara we no genya yari loto.
Combine.
Oh, we somebody. Oh, yeah, dog, when I want to feel better, Guanuedo. Then the Guanuedo, I don't know why. Oh, go on. If you're not yet, we are born now. Oh, go back, Bugua. Oh, tornado, oh, tornado, Madame Lua. Oh, tornado, Yakbel, Beka, Ugua. How money gonna be a baby? Oh, go on, go there, but name no matter that way. How money gonna be a baby? Guga, Fia Woo. Oh, my God, you're going to Yagua. Oh, my God, you're Baker. What bell will I go for what bell? Have you any time you're going to Yahua? Who ya soon? I'm only gonna be a baby. I'm only gonna be a baby. Hey, Bogwat your Wamajo. Hey, Bogwat your Wamajo. I'm only gonna be a baby. I'm only gonna be a baby. Igba ti oleba, igba oso, ogun ragbo, o to de do ragbo. Uhun ya do ya fefe ke ni magbo ki ni meri o. Oga suma ya ti ya si we ladin. Yi agbo ya gbo. Ogba ni agbo ya gbo mo. Me wula wo mi o pa ye dore. E do ma me no wo pa ika. Ogun ora gbo e o, ogun ora gbele mo do. O pa ika wi gbo ni ta yo kan aja ko akoko popo yo. Ugbe. O pa ika wa sun wu. Ogun ba gbo na ora gbo pa ika. Ogun ba gbo na ora gbo e. Ogun ba gbo na ora gbo pa ika. O pa ika. U ki afin awu. O pa ika, u ki ame me gbike e bo ejuke nuje. O pe e we ya we se na ko e we ya we se na. U we ki awu ya da pe ki awu ada ko. O pe ami o ide yo ko ami o ide yo. O ri le, o ri bi egbe no be ki aje. Eh we ki awu ya da pe ki awu ya da ko.
Wa you butter wa you no ya ta mi e kini uneke na mo wo yi o apa ika.
Ugbe.
Wa gbe o apa ika.
Ugbe.
Ah wa be la wa bijwa.
Ugbe.
We. Ogbora gbo apa ika. O ba fi an
Ugbe.
pẹ̀lú yèké náà ló wà wù yèké.
Ugbe.
Ùnú aya tàbí ẹ̀kẹ́ náà mú òwò ẹ̀ṣù kó la.
Ugbe. Ogun ye.
Ugbe.
Ogun yàgbọ́ pa ẹ̀ka ó yàgbọ́ ẹ̀ lọ. Àwọn yẹn wá. Iṣẹ́ o, rẹ̀rí ọ̀gá yé. Ẹ̀rí iṣẹ́ o, rẹ̀rí ọ̀gá yé. Ẹbọ ní máa mú gbọ́ pa ìka rọra sẹ̀rí gí ọgbà ẹ̀ o. Iṣẹ́ o, rẹ̀rí ọ̀gá yé. Ẹbọ ní máa mú gbọ́ pa ìka tọ̀gá sẹ̀rí ọgbà ẹ̀ o. Iṣẹ́ o, rẹ̀rí ọ̀gá yé. Ẹbọ ní máa mú gbọ́ pa ìka tọ̀gá sẹ̀rí ọ̀hún ẹ̀ o. Iṣẹ́ o, rẹ̀rí ọ̀gá yé. Ogun àgbọ̀ pa ìka ogun àgbọ̀ ọmọ. Èmi yà náà rí ọbọ̀ yìí náà kí á dínà dẹ́rọ àkókò èkó èèyàn. Ebi okin aje ni mata ebi okin aje be tie e bo panya ya fefe lo to kedo be ti o to de be technical no to de be ki e ti e gbuda no bo e ti bo panya ya gbegbegbe uhun ope ahun oho uhun epoli e keke ku won padà re ko uhun meme ase no bi o ka se no ko de uhun agbon ya fefe uhun to de do be ti o to de do ebi ya fefe won no bi ko won no ko kunde uhun mi o ko ya fefe uhun eke uhun eti ya fefe do ri mo tagbon na eti o saloba no yo to no yukun wa je gbedegbe opa ika omo ni go no bi o baby wa ge sunwu wa ge opo ve na egbe wa ge abo na egbe wa ge ogun no gbe no gbe o wa no gbe omo o opa ika wi eri nu ye gbedore e do ma re no opa ika e o opa ika ga je Nigeria o ya to taye etu flat no meti edo Opa ikara iro dagwane ogwe ebode iye abiedoni nothing dey happen
E mata.
Owi abiedoni no opa ika we na go emugwe we na je Nigeria we na redo we video where you dey bini where you dey bini opa ika ya igwewa ya igere ya igwa ila de TikTok do tie even yes but get on ya gwa every day opa ika only me one go treat your fuck up. Why you dey fear? Oh, how much and they negative avant. Go Bini, you go tell say I dey Bini oh. See where I dey for Bini. Oh, Bika, una lost 1 hour, come here, bastard. Igboa. Iya we esagi we ahia ya polotono edo. Esagi wo Bika, ahia ya dolo. Esagi we ahia sanitize edo. Ogun ba ora gwe
Straight away.
Opaika ukin asungu
Away
ya igwe ni amu ye igwa mu agwa belowe ye igwa kalowe ado si we kopa a video we a send e
Aya mu ye ogbazu amu abaye.
Amu yo gbazu lion ni ne Why think you do anybody want to talk about do agwon cause they better than well. I have the enter house.
Yes.
And meanwhile, tomorrow Okpaika, I'm coming for you. A picture a Joan Okpaika yebo muria.
Bere.
Okpaika husband snatcher. Oh Jekia we no fada. Okpaika kuko bakara.
Kia waro he
Oh Jekia. Okpaika mi kero fiawa. Ekia agamuwe transform Okpaika you right here. Oh, you
yeah,
very are. Eki arabu ogun. Okpa eka you very ekiani. No go ana gbo okpa eka no go ana gbo ohun tuwe. Okbe won do sikbi awe. Ogbe wo mi ya fefe no ri lega we. Emi ya fefe no jewe wa gbon. Emi no ko wo he la die ya emi no ko wo he la die okpa eka. Ogbe ya asunu mu fi gedo. Emi no ku wo he la die ogbe ya asunu mu fi gedo ogugwa. Wetin come out from Okpekus, now you go take pay the mass where you dey throw to our great palace Ugwa. Okpaika wagbe o. Ogun ba ragbo Okpaika. I dey come for you again dalawana. O fena teme. O fena ya gbo Okpaika o. O agbe wa gbo mo. Una we dey fa Okpaika pikin picture. Hey picture of ya na hin o egege wa munu wa ya we paga zaga lala. Paga zaga lala. Okpaika wa be when they have your give me egbo. Any cow, you have your boy if your boy you make muda we na ka veka voma. Okpaika we set you a few pege gwa no e don ugbe o bagbon. Ni we when you me unwa, who must to su who must to you unta. Iba boga lawe pe ana hina no gwa rodu kun si no magbon e. Eh, one must study no. Eh, iyo gwo mo bi je me. Ma bi bere ni we baba.
Iyo gwo.
Go on.
Mama, la mo picture na ye be streaming. Ni bi agbon bere Okpaika kino DJ la gogo.
Okay.
O magbon.
La gogo. Moderator si wa go be mo ye be screen o. Igwa we de oga ikimo o igwa.
Okpaika. Ni last sweet ne.
Wa ga si won iri ne. Okpaika bi ogwa. Okpaika bi ogwa. Okpaika bi ogwa o. Okiena ri mi da yogwa yo. Okpaika bi ogwa. Okpaika bi ogwa. Okpaika bi ogwa o. Okay, na give me a da yogwa yo.
Okpaika. Okpaika gare. Okpaika gare platform ni ana mo ebo gbera gbije no de. Okpaika ni ya supporter Ivie ejo. When Ivie ejo ni ade ni adomi matter. Okpaika, you no go better for you. For this thing, this atrocity where you do so, no better for you. Okpaika na iye wa recruit na allegedly that he have a woman na or a secretary. Nene WhatsApp group ni aje bani. You understand? Okpaika. Now our ancestors now go destroy you. The way we be say you want to bring down your papa head and your mama head.
Ube.
Our ancestors now go disgrace you.
Ube.
No worry. That your house when you build for Benin, we go most collect.
Okpaika don't build house for Benin o. He not build house for Benin. Na 2 flat now he rent. He rent 2 flat. He rent 2 flat for his pikin and the pikin husband. Okpaika no build house for Benin. Una de. Na he no build house for Benin. Salobwa.
Why you call the Tosi build house for Benin?
Na Mati day. Na only 2 flat now he rent for Benin. For pikin as Okpaika your days so as they abroad. The shit where they clean toilet for UK. All the toilet, the shit where they clean, other people are made shit where she they clean. The money where she they make, she still her daughter and the daughter husband and her grandchildren. Now she they pump out to. Now she they feed her daughter husband. That one not they work on him when you go. Oh bogbe. Here ye bo money we are. Now she rent 2 flat for her daughter and her useless daughter husband. Okpaika cannot build us or Benin. Now lie she they talk. Now lie she they talk. Una don't see Okpaika go Benin. You go come video your house plan. You go come there for a parlor as landlady. Make una tell her say if he reach the Benin the house as she they claim say she build us for Benin. Make she carry video the house. Make she they talk say yes I'm the landlady of this house. She go show everywhere. Now Okpaika can lie or retore. Juanita.
Yeah.
Jack me one you mean there.
Okay. Obi Yoruba na. Obi Yoruba na. Yariba. Mama. Oh, let's see a fire. Okay.
We are not taking Opaika's body to a local and deadly village. No good thing they happen for no good thing for them. Now only when there are people back, now that they carry them. Are just very grand. Isan are very grand. No better thing they come out for Isan. Now only very grand. Where any Isan person there, just carry and go Isan. Go bury her. Now my people, if you have to know some more. Opaika no let me we were no soon mari movie. Ewo done okay, ewo me. Ambulance yo git pe na wa dam yo. Ai miere no paika gibie bakyo. Ai miere no paika gibie bakyo. Ai miere no paika gibie bakyo. Amo bi paika bi ewo mi o. Ayamu yoto. Ola la pano geke. Opaika fiangu, opaika udi agbariare. Udi agbariare o, opaika o. Iwe tu kiale, iwi wiwa o, opaika o. Etu kiale, iwi wiwa o, opaika o. Opaika wo, gafiangu. Awo, opaika, gafiangu. Opaika idi agbariare, awo. Opaika idi agbariare, gafiangu.
Opaika fiangu ne.
Opaika mo ebi abo imi.
Nyogwe. I have message for some of our Benin, some of our Edo people. My Edo people, if you do me no go me, Nyogwe wa ni mo we do no ma. Guy, wa enge obi sonde la kwa, we matoge, e mata no waroto na. Wala wo we call you that for where or we can buy la wa. If you send benu biele waya wa la wa video. Not put body because I will not use my tribe as an Edo person to play friendship with anybody. Anybody no finu gira, no finu gije, a piece of game well at Jaminana. I will useless him, he or she. I don't care. So, in the name of you got married to a some person or a some person got married to you, you want to play pasha, you want to do this matter to please your marital home. You will not work.
At all.
Moreover,
My lovely
do not
sister
call-
Jennifer, you are welcome. I love you so much.
we do not call
Love
you
you when
people.
you're
Mama
Jennifer.
Tuba.
Love you so much. When you ask me, you say, I love you. I love
Mama,
you.
where-
I'm so proud of you. I love you.
Well, see, and because of these bros now, we keep talking now. See me I climb up.
Auntie Jennifer, welcome.
Where you are no. To say the truth, there's no point. I think I did about 2 minutes video or blogging where that thing will happen. On the platform, I did watch that time where Ivie and Don Priest matter about your wife. You know, I saw a bit of bias because the magua, I swini, you understand? So I saw a bit of bias because I don't say Don Priest marry Asian woman, and Don Priest na one person wey like Edo tradition. Based on say come marry.
Well, Don Priest na person wey be say yere dore yaku. But that one make me like her.
The thing come dey get as e be for that man.
But he can't get as he be because he married from the tribe, you know.
Yes, he can't get as he be. I have to be honest to you guys because if that guy continue to dey talk about Benin and Ishan, he go destroy his house. For me, I will advise him, which I do the video of 2 minutes. I say, no, why you marry with son? No point, because your own go scatter. Or if you marry Benin, why son, your own go see scatter. There is no point. Just leave, not talk, put. Just feel say you don't say anything they happen because the thing go destroy. You see that day now? If he destroy Don Priest house, do my say
exactly what I told Don Priest on that day. You see, I said my two brothers and sisters, they don't really understand what happened on that very day. They don't understand.
Yes.
I never, because I know say Don Priest is married to one of them. I never went there to insult Don Priest. I swear to God. To insult Isa. I was just talking as in a normal way. You understand what I'm saying? Because the woman was angry. Say the people they bring come out. Even Ovi son, the picture na mula diakun. Na made the woman provoke. No be on that thing.
Yes.
If you watch the video from the beginning, no. Like I want to talk. He said they were not talking about any other thing. Don Priest brought out a picture of one idiot woman, one useless woman. Where he say he the few you understand, you go carry papa picture come out. Now Don Priest, now what they talk about. So Don Priest can say, I will not do these people. All these is some people, the way that they do, that they demarket us, and that they, as in, that they throw west to us, that they change our history and all those things. It's not fair. What we will do? What I tell people, I said, Don Priest, where did they worry? I said, they first do all these things. I said, but last, they will still come back to their senses. Yeah, you do it, where did it go? That was what I said. My people, that was what I said before Don Priest's wife come coaching. You understand? The matter just be said, Don Priest's wife on the boy. And the thing be said, because the carried that his sister picture come out. Because not forget, say the thing first cost well for me and Don Priest and his wife. Just because say Don Priest's wife want talk, he said the way me take the insult Isa. Now see, you know they see where some people they throw west to where from come. Now Don Priest take join wife come saga me. And that thing, you no fear expect. Because say you marry my dog brother. Your Eastern brothers. Eastern people, they throw west to my own. You know what? Now I first cost for from the beginning.